कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता। तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है, जीने की वजह यही है मरना इसी के लिए। कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए। मेहरबानी जाते जाते मुझ पे कर गया, गुजरता सा लम्हा एकदम भर गया, तेरा नजारा मिला, रोशन सितारा मिला, तकदीर की कश्तियों को किनारा मिला। सदियों से तरसे है जैसी जिंदगी के लिए, तेरी सोहबत में दुआएं हैं उसी के लिए, तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता। तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है, जीने की वजह यही है मरना इसी के लिए। कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए।
Everyone is excited about, and here's the story that we met 2 years back in 2018. I wasn't ready for it, and even I expected she wasn't ready. So we met just for a small meeting, and we were not expecting anything from each other, anything. So I went back. I said I need to think about it. And this went till 2 years. So साल हम लोग ने कुछ किया नहीं. So after 2 years, all of a sudden we met in Dasara. So where we all Telugu Savaipo Bulandaru Kalsara kada seriously. So we met there, and dan tarvata there was a formal meeting that happened again, and all happened very quickly, and the day I met her, I felt like that feeling I cannot be put in words. It is something different. It was a good vibe, and I was comfortable around her. So I think she is the one. So yes, so I said yes, and it all went official on the 7th of February 2020. So that's the Valentine's week, I guess. So, and in particular, that is a proposed day for the officially to tell. So after that, we kept meeting, and lockdown happened. So we got to know, because of the lockdown, I could say that I am very fortunate that I got to know her more. And finally, I could say that for everyone, this year has been hard. But for me, this will be always be a special year, because she's the one that I found, and she's the most special girl that came into my life. So yeah, that's the best thing that has happened to me in this year.
So yeah, it all started in 2018 when my parents told me that I have got a proposal and I need to travel to India because I was working in Pune at that time. So I had already made up my mind that I was going to visit Mumbai no matter what. But when we did meet, something changed. I felt maybe marriage wouldn't be that bad. There was some instant connection that I felt, but it didn't work out then. After that, we didn't speak to each other for 2 years. But still, in my heart, I felt that he is the one for me. I felt like I used to stalk him on social media. If I have to be really honest, even I have stalked his parents just to check out that if anyone has posted any pics with him. Finally, we met again on 7th of February 2020. Talking to him made me realize that we are quite similar people, like from our thoughts to our likes and dislikes. He seemed to be like very genuine, simple and honest guy. Exactly the kind I have always wanted. He is one of the most amazing, caring and understanding, straightforward guy I've come across, and I've loved him little more than yesterday. This was meant to be. I would just like to say the destination is just an Ahmedabad until I'm happy. I love you.